Hello guys, so today I am doing a updates video and I'll show you some stuff and everything. So first the Gemma Journal, September 4th. So front page, Pet Sugar Gliders. Pet Sugar Gliders have arrived. These adorable new pets are super excited to see all the fun Jamar has to offer, and you can adopt your own pet sugar glider in the diamond shop. That's good. So, help Animal Jam celebrate its 4th birthday by visiting the awesome AJ birthday party held on top of a giant birthday cake. So there's a new AJ birthday party. Birthday code. Use the code AJBDay4 when you log in to get a special birthday present. What do you think happens if you click on different areas around the cake? New arm set. This incredible sparkling arm set comes in 5 pieces and is now available in the diamond shop. That's actually nice. Check out Jamart Furniture and Jamart Clothing to see all the cool Egyptian treasure items. And check back often to see what new items have arrived. We have just heard a rumour that a beloved animal will soon be returning to Jama. It's the panda, guys. Because obviously the question mark, then the black and white for the pandas. I'll be back in a sec. Sorry, I just had to go do something. So as I was saying, obviously the question mark, black and white for the panda, obviously. Okay, and beta party. The beta party will soon be leaving Jama for the season. So be sure to join your buddies and party like it's 2010. Summer Carnival sale. The Summer Carnival is drawing to a close, and its games, tickets, and prizes will soon be packed away until next year. But but until then, all Carnival accessories are on sale for 50% off, so half off. So head to the Summer Carnival, win your favourite prizes, and have as much fun as you can before it's gone. Yeah, Animal Jam Outfitters. That's basically all. Wait, when's the birthday? The birthday party's not on for a while. Poop. I've actually already got the birthday cake. And I'll show you. I haven't tried to, like, click on it and see what happens yet, so... I'm guessing these are what you click on. Oh, okay. Who's online? Little happy star, you're in my clan. You little beauty. Alright. Is this all? Is this seriously all? Just grows 3 times. Someone was saying that it's a Minecraft cake. This is not... Oh! There's the Minecraft cake. Flowers. Sparklers. You probably can't hear how rapidly my mouse is clicking. Let's see. I don't know. Wow. Well, maybe this is all that happens. Is this all that... That was unexpected? There must be other stuff then. Must keep going. Because, like, you've got to keep going until the cake resets. Because somehow the cake always resets. I hate when that happens. Keep going, keep going. Click the sparklers. I'll show you last year's cake. Here's last year's cake. I love this one. Penguins! This is what happens when something's in danger and they've got to like get out of, like, almost like the Titanic. Like, one, yes, we found out. I found out. This is how it ends up going. When people find out the Titanic is about to sink. Okay, first class passengers are out. Second class is coming. Second class! Yep. Oh, well that was easy. So there's a bunny there. This is a strange birthday cake. Oh. Strange. Oh well, I think I know what happens. Do you just want me to tell you? My friend told me this. Apparently it... Wait, does it like reset when I leave? Crud cakes. Is that poor? Right? That poor? No, that one. And then clicking somewhere like to turn it into Minecraft. But my friend said after that it turns... The icing turns purple or something. Then the cake makes like the actual cake. And the... and the sparklers turn purple. Then the animals turn into phantoms, and then the phantoms, what the hell? Then the phantoms go crazy and eat the cake. I know, right? The phantoms go crazy and eat it. Okay. So, Summer Carnival. Look, everything's like nothing. And I have like nothing. Pizza! There's nothing I want here. Except the weave, maybe. But... Let's see in the den things. Pet Ferris wheel! Pet roller coaster! Can you like... If enough. I give Animal Jam perfect feedback. Okay, let's get a snake. Wait, no, we should get something that basically costs that, but I don't have enough of that. I don't have enough of that either. Okay, we're gonna get a pet snake. This is going to be... Its name is Aphrodite. Do you like Aphrodite, everybody? No, Cleopatra or whatever. No, I'm bad with names. Okay, comment down below and name my pet snake, please. Name him, he needs a name. And if you name him, you get a shout out, maybe. I wasn't even wearing that! The duh. Oh, duh, 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 duh. Where did my tobacco go? I probably scrolled past it like 8 times. There it is. Alright. I have a really weird looks, people. Weird looks. Party. Yeah, wolf party. I have some really weird looks. That's for my clan. I've got a lot of articles. I don't use a lot of them though. My wolf is really ugly. Oh, I had something that I could use for that. Yeah, yellow long rest. See, I don't even use these articles. It's got a rare article on it. It's not very good. I need to make a look with that article. Anyway, that's basically... I'm sorry. That's basically all the stuff for the updates. I'm also just gonna quickly look in Epic Wonders, because you never know when new stuff might be coming out or leaving. There's a new birthstone, Sapphire. Let's get that. So that's basic. Yeah, there's nothing else. So that's all, guys. See ya. I hope you liked the update, and happy birthday, Animal Jam.